going to do is the Jota. And just a little background history is that there's a lot of terms for the dance among the Basques, including Jotas, Fandangos, and Torresaldas. So the Jota is the most popular dance in all the Basque communities, and it's part of, in parts of Araba and Vizcaya, the tradition has always been to include, a three-part dance. So basically, it's one of the most popular dances in the Basque country, which the Basques actually borrowed from Spain and made it their own. So we're going to perform the Vizcaino Jota and the Torresalda.